Bbnaija 2020 update: Praise lied about his relationship status after fans dig out his family photos. See details. The season 5 of the Big Brother Naija show kicked off yesterday, and the controversy came very early from Praise. During his introduction on stage by Ebuka, he said he was single and ready to mingle. Praise Nelson is a 28-year-old dance instructor, says he's an easygoing person. He was a winner at the K-pop World Festival South Africa 2015 and won third place at the National Dance Competition in 2010. He says he loves food and will bring life to the house. Fans were quick to check on his social media page and found out he's married with his son. A photo of Praise engaging a lady is currently circulating on social media. The show just started and we're already having conflicting issues. Well, guys, what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned as I'll be bringing to you more gist from the Bbnaija house.